All right, so now we want to talk about a couple things to look out for. So here's one that says, we love this post. We'd like to consider featuring it on our websites, apps, social media, emails, and retail stores, including those operated by our partners. If you're cool with that, you're 18 plus, or are the parent legal guardian of any 18 persons featured, not a college athlete, and you own the rights to the photo post, please reply blank to give us permission. By doing so, you agree to our terms and conditions, them out terms of use. And this is by, we hate it. Because if you go on the terms of use, they basically are saying the same thing that was the example before earlier. They can own all of the rights, they can redistribute it however they want, they basically own it, and they own you and your child and all that stuff, and it's so frustrating. We don't recommend doing this. We don't recommend signing yes, ignore it. They might share it, who cares? Like it's not gonna help. Another one we would see would be like, hola, we would love to show the beauty of our island through your eyes. Please read the following terms and use and let us know if you agree. Blah, blah, blah. If you go and do it again, they keep saying the same thing. They're gonna take your usage, they're gonna take all of your, they're gonna own it and they can sell it. They can do whatever the heck they want with it. It's so shitty and it's so rampant because it's just AI bots. And so you're sitting there thinking, oh, well maybe I'll build a relationship with them. They're not gonna see it. You're not talking to a real person. It's all automated. It's all just chatbots. All right, let's take a look at another example, another thing to look out for. So it says, terms of use, authorship, you recognize and represent the blank that you have the sole author or have the rights over the picture. 2, authorization. By replying to this email message with your name, you authorize blank to use the picture in any manner and in all media currently known, subsequently devised, identifying you as the author under the name, pseudonyms, or sign of your choice. You also go up blank, the right to duplicate the picture, incorporate in whole or in part into blank publications, and exploit and distribute the picture of the versions of the picture in the territory during the term, as defined below. Your reply to this message shall be considered your electronic signature, waiving the right of integrity regarding the picture and granting blank the right to adapt, rearrange, add to, subtract from the picture, and to combine the picture with other materials, music, or recording. Term is perpetuity, territory is worldwide, exclusivity, non-exclusive, so they gave us that. And compensation, you're not gonna get any monetary compensation, but they do say they won't use it for economic profit, blah, 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 blah. Basically, this is again saying, hey, we get to keep it, we get to do whatever we want. This is one of the terms of the use at the back of the page. Now here is one of the craziest ones I have ever seen. So it says, by submitting content, you are confirming your agreement and acceptance to the following terms and conditions with respect to the contributed audio, music, blah, 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 blah. You hereby grant the blank, and the blank. So this is 3 different companies. They're all owned by, like one owns them both, but this is 4 different companies. 4 different companies get complete ownership of my photos and video. It's authorized agents, designees, licensees, vendors, successors, and they assigns the non-exclusive worldwide royalty-free right and license to use, reproduce, distribute, display, exhibit, or authorize others, blah, 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 blah. Basically, them and three other companies just get to use the image however they want. They can profit off of it, they can do whatever they want. That's absurd. That's absurd. You know, they might as well just take my dog, my cat, my left leg, and all my camera equipment. It's just ridiculous. Like this is crazy. These are the reasons why you want to look at your contracts and see what's in there. They can sneak them in there. I really hope you found this helpful. And if you did, please leave a comment, or if you think that there's something I missed, leave a comment so other people can learn from it too. I'm not an expert. This is just my experience, and I hope to learn as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.